Hi guys! How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am not. I ordered from Yesstyle June 17th and my stuff just came in. I ordered a lot. I want to say I ordered like 7 things. You really are like, maybe that's not a lot, but like money wise, that's a lot. We're doing an unboxing today. Yes. First, I'm gonna cut it up. I'm nervous. What if this stuff doesn't come out good? Like, what if my clothes are actually booty? Returning this stuff is like money. It's not like Amazon. Like, I have to pay money to return this. So the first thing I got is this rice toner, and it is supposed to be really good and hydrating. The packaging is so pretty. Like, actually, it's more. Ooh. Nice. Okay, wait. I'm gonna try it on my skin. Apparently, it's really good for people who have dry skin, and my skin is pretty dry. Rubbing it into my arm. All the clothing I got are white. I just realized that. First, we'll start off with this top. Origin story for this top. The reason I got it is because there's this really pretty girl I follow on TikTok and Instagram, and she wore it and she looked really good in it. And I was shopping on Yesstyle and I saw it and I was like, I need it. So it's just this really cute, like, I don't know, like a, whoa, it smells. It's a crop top with a bow on it. Like, are you kidding me? A bow. Like, how could I not buy it? It's just giving like, it could either give like a coquette type of vibe, or like the way she styled it, maybe I can put a photo, the way she styled it made it very like, you can wear a leather jacket, black skirt, boots, like, you know, you can be whoever you want to be with this bow top. And the material is pretty nice. Like, it doesn't seem like too see-through, but it's so adorable. The item, what's this? I don't remember ordering this. What is this? Oh my god. Okay. Why do I always order intricate things? Okay, I'm dying. It's like a cute halter top. Okay, next. This is like a really basic, I feel like you can wear this with anything. Oh my god, can I not open this bag? Like jeans or anything? Wait, why does it look really intricate also? Oh my god. Am I tweaking? It looks like lingerie. Oh my god. You're supposed to wear it like this. Well, duh. It's just a simple crop top. It's cute, and I really like the lacing here. Like, I could wear this to a concert if it fits. Or I could get scolded by my parents because they think I'm weird. No, this is really, really cute with low red jeans. Really. Yes. I was going for a archive fashion. Oh, it smells horrendous. Oh my god. This should be like illegal. It's like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's this knitted halter top. I'm so scared to try this on. Because like, they need to wash. This is, oh my god. I didn't know this was really funny. I don't know. Like, I'm gonna do it. I will. I'll go pants. Next. I don't know what this is. This is the last item. This is another archive fashion piece of art. Why am I so confused? We're gonna figure this out in the down hall when I try all this. Because like, what in this, I cannot. Everything's in a pile. Let's try it all on. Because it's trying on to the fun part. Okay, here is the bow shirt, and I think it looks so adorable. Like, actually in love with it. I paired it with low-rise jeans, and these are from Brandy Melville, if you wanted to know. I definitely should have put a leather jacket to show you the vibe I wanted to go for, but I kind of forgot, so don't blame me. I rate this shirt a 9 out of 10. I really, really like it, and I really want to try it with a black mini skirt and some boots. Next up, we have the lingerie shirt, and I actually really like this shirt. I think the only critique I have is that it moves a lot, so it's not like exactly aligned with your bra sometimes, which can get annoying. But otherwise, it's really, really cute, and it gives off like, I don't know, like crystal shop vibes. Looks really good with low-rise jeans. I don't think you would be able to wear it with any other type of pants, to be honest. They have to be low-rise, otherwise it's gonna like ride up. Love the details on these, by the way. 10 out of 10. You won't believe it. I freaking figured out how to literal tie this shirt. It was so confusing. I had to look up a reference on how somebody else did it. But I think it's super, super cute, like actually adorable. The only thing is there's a lot of string going on. There's like literal 10 feet long strings attached to the shirt, and it's low-key annoying, but I feel like if you cut it, it'll be fine. Like, it's fine now. Also, this shirt goes for like 3 different vibes. That claw clip vibe, you know what I'm talking about? Like claw clip vibe, I feel like that's a vibe. Cargo pants and low-rise jeans, those are 3 different vibes, and this shirt does every single one of them. Definitely a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10, yeah. One of my favorites so far. Next is this granny ass shirt. Like, it literally smells like grandma or like dirty laundry. I don't know, but it is so cute. And I figured out what to pair with it. It's just like a black crop top. I've worn this on my Instagram before, but it looks really good underneath it. Or you can wear like a brown one. I think that would look good too. This can be worn with low rise, but I feel like this is definitely more of a cargo pants look. Or I don't know, maybe like a hip look. Apparently that's what I'm doing. I'm like dancing around like a crazy person. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Next we have, I keep calling it like a waiter shirt. Like, it kind of looks like something that a waiter would wear. I think it's really cute. It's just really wrinkly, so it's not like looking very sharp right now. But I definitely think, oh, I'm wearing cargo pants. Yeah, definitely great with cargo pants. Would recommend with low-rise jeans, honestly. You can't wear a bra with this. It's not, like, it just doesn't look good. So you can see in the back, you're gonna have to buy like sticky pads. Sorry girl, I don't know what you want me to tell you. But I rate this a 7 out of 10 just because it's kind of difficult to figure out. Like, every time I'm gonna put it on, I know I'm gonna forget how to do it, and I'm gonna spend at least 10 minutes of my life trying to figure it out. Otherwise than that, it's a really good shirt, and the quality is subpar, a good, also 7 out of 10. Lastly, we have this shirt that I didn't put in the beginning of the video because I thought I was going to return it because I did not like the material. It's more of a spandexy material when I was expecting cotton, so I was a little disappointed on that. But after I tried it on, I really liked the fit, so I decided I was going to keep it. It also goes with the vibe I was trying to emulate, I don't know. Recommend with cargo pants. As you can tell, I really like cargo pants, so yeah. And I actually really like the shirt, so I'm gonna give it a 6.5 out of 10 because I was disappointed. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I enjoyed filming it. Definitely broke after filming this, so I'm crying actual real tears right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Or if you want to see something different, let me know because I love trying new things, so totally be down for any video you guys want. Anyway, see you guys next week around the same time, I hope. Bye!